All right, day 5 chug. 6 seconds, new record. You could probably tell I did that on purpose, but I wanted to take this opportunity to talk about the dangers of chugging too much water. Chugging too much water can lead to brain swelling, kidney damage, coma, choking, even death. So while it might be funny and macho to chug water as fast as you can, or beer or whatever liquid for that matter, please be careful, please be safe. Remember that chugging like a normal person is okay. This information was provided by my wife, and I just want to say I love you. Thank you for always supporting all my crazy ideas. And now I have to clean up this mess before she gets home.
Hey guys, we have a full bloom today. Wow, that's beautiful. Rosemary too, look at this rosemary.
I'm wiped. Just got back from the gym. I met 2 new guys there, Kyle and Mike. They're young guys thinking about going to Charleston. I was telling them about how I used to live there. And also met another guy, Will, who I guess he's about 15 years older than me, that goes to the gym pretty regularly. And we were just chatting about how no matter what happens, just getting there helps with aging, helps your health. I don't know who needs to hear this today, but go to the gym, go outside. It's a beautiful day out there.